Can you bake cookies in the air fryer? Let's find out. Okay, so I've made this little foil flap with little handles on the side so I can put this down in the air fryer and then pick it up without getting so burned. So here we go. I don't have a special scoop, so I'm just using a spoon, and I'm going to make these as close to the same size as I can. Give them a little room on each side. Okay, I've got 4 of them. I'm going to smash them down just a little bit. The instructions say to make 2 tablespoons for each scoop, so we're just going to do the best we can. All right, I'm going to set the air fryer to 300 degrees for 7 minutes. I'm going to let it preheat. The air fryer has preheated to 300 degrees. We're going to go ahead and place our cookie dough in and cook for 7 minutes. Let me set this down so I can grab my cookies. Here they are. And back in. And now we'll cook for 7 minutes at 300 degrees and check our cookies. Okay, it's been 7 minutes. Let's peek and see what we've got. Oh my goodness. They look amazing. You know what? I'm going to give them 1 more minute. All right, it's been 1 more minute, so our total cooking time is 8 minutes. I think those cookies look amazing. I'm going to pull them out, let them cool a bit, and then we'll try one. Okay, so I'm going to let them cool right there on the tin foil for just a bit, like a minute or 2. Then I'll take them off and we'll sit them on the cooling rack and let them cool a little bit further. Did I say cool a lot? I think I did. Let it cool just a bit. Let's slide them off of this tin foil and right onto our cooling rack. Excellent. Perfect. Let them cool just a couple of minutes. It's time to try one. Grab a tall glass of ice cold milk or a cup of coffee and let's satisfy that sweet tooth craving. Oh, these are still warm. Delicious. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.